Welcome to Beauty Over 40. My name is Lavinia. Thank you for joining me today. Today is National Lipstick Day, and for my Beauty Over 40 girls, definitely I will have their links to their YouTube channel down below. After you've watched my video, definitely check them out. Find out what their favorite lip colors are and that go-to color that they reach for. I'm going to be trying some of my favorite colors with you guys. If you'd like to see what those are, definitely stay tuned.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds, somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down.
All right, guys, so we're just going to jump into this. So I'm going to start with this color here. This color I actually I purchased from a indie brand. And I know I've mentioned them before. I don't think they're in business anymore, but I am going to check. I'm going to hop on their website now just to make sure. I guess they went out of business, but I'm glad I stocked up a little bit. I know I have two. I may have three of these, but this is a very neutral tone nude color. I know I should not be talking about a color that's not available, but a lot of the indie brands, guys, this is very popular package, and of course all the names are going to be different, but I really do like this nude. And then here's the other one, top is missing. Anyway, my favorite nude. And then I have another nude that I go to sometimes. Reaching down into my goodie bag, I can't find my micellar water, but I have a bag of goodies down here. And once I get to that point, when I hit 10K, when I get close, I would definitely be having definitely gonna have a giveaway to show my appreciation. We're inching up there, guys. So anyway, this is one of the things that's in that bag there. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and I'll be right back. All right, and then another nude that I reached for, and for this month's challenge, I did, ask the girls to, show off their favorite lip color that they often reach for. And I'll be honest, I do not reach for this one that often, but I did want to share a couple options with you guys. This one is by Estee Lauder, number 103, and the color is Mashup. This one is a little bit darker than the first one. I love the way the Estee Lauder liquid lipsticks smell. Again, very new. This one does have a little bit more pink in it, which is still not bad. What do you guys think about this one? And I'll be honest, I don't reach for lip liners really at all. I don't think I have any lip liners, but I will reach for, if I have a waterproof brown liner, which is what this is. I know a lot of people like to wear liners with their nude lip, but I'm gonna be honest, most of the time, if I do want to wear like a lip liner look, I'm gonna grab a chocolate brown liquid lipstick. That way I know my lip color is gonna last throughout the day. You can just see how that changes that up. On to the next. So my go-tos, and I will probably say for the last 2 or 3 years, have been either a nude or a red. There's been a few sprinkle of other colors in between, but most of the time, if you're gonna see me, it's gonna be a nude or a red. And so my favorite red that I've been reaching for is the Fenty Velvet Lip, and this one is HBIC. However, these are not matte lipsticks. When these came out, and I'm not pointing my finger at anyone, but it did give the impression that these are matte. These are not matte lipsticks, because it is a beautiful, when I say beautiful, it is a beautiful velvety red looking color. Everyone assumed it was matte. I did do a review on this color and another color. What was the other color? I can't remember what the other name is, but I'll link that video here up above so you guys can watch that. But I do love these lip colors, but they are not matte. Look how beautiful and matte and velvety that looks. It is so pretty. There's that. So this is HBIC. Again, beautiful red lip. Absolutely, I've not seen a red like this anywhere. Absolutely beautiful. The one thing I will say about this, you have to be careful with this color. You can either try to like set it with like a setting spray, or I know they do have some lip products out there that extend the wear of your lip color, but that's going to change the formula of it, so I tend not to do that. So I love how the color looks, but you do have to be careful and be aware that you have this color on, because it will be all over the place. And I've had several people say that online. Actually mastered wearing this lipstick. Do not touch my face or anything even close to my lips. So, but very beautiful lip color, and it looks so beautiful on my melanin sisters, like darker than me. What do the kids say? Chef's kiss. And in addition to using micellar water to get the lip colors off, I do go behind with my foundation brush. Start off with a clean canvas. All right, so we got the Fenty out the way. Now I'm gonna do one more. So let me ask you guys a question. Do you guys remember what was it called? I don't know if this is the exact correct name for it, but do you guys remember when Morphe brushes had like a subscription service? I'm not even sure if they still have that, but they had a brush subscription service. I don't know, $15-20 a month. You get anywhere from, I would probably say, 5 to 8 brushes. I did that for a couple years. Sometimes they would send different things along with that, and that is how I discovered this color. I've talked about this color before in one of my videos as well. Put my glasses on to see the name. Name of this is Vanity Fur, F-U-R-R Metallic. I'm not sure about you, but probably now, but back then, like when I first got this, I did not know of many lip colors that were matte and metallic at the same time. This right here, perfect for any time, but really especially around the holidays. It's just a beautiful red. And it smells amazing. Bless me. But it's a really beautiful metallic red. For the indie brand, I don't think I paid any more than $10. It might have been like $5 to $8 for those. The Estee Lauder one, that one's probably around $22. This one by Morphe, I think that one might have been $6 to $8. So probably the most expensive ones is going to be definitely the Fenty one. I think that one was $30, which is, you know. Anyway, we're not going to get into that. But that sums up my lip colors that I reach for. These are colors that I reach for all the time. I wear them on the daily, so these are my favorites. So happy National Lipstick Day to everyone. I will definitely post a picture, definitely on Instagram and in my stories. That is it. All right, guys, so let me know down below, what is your favorite lip color? You can leave the brand, the color shade, you can leave the price if you want. I'm just curious. All right, guys, and another thing, if you are a beauty over 40 and you're wanting to collab with us, definitely reach out to myself or any of the girls that's participating in this month's collab. All right, so that is it for my video. So if you're not following me on Instagram and TikTok, give your girl a follow at LRH Makeup. Also my second handle on TikTok, which is _beauty over40. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on post notifications, that way you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys, until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.